Breaking news here on Martin Lucas Investor. What did I say about 4 or 5 months ago when I started covering SoundHound? I said to you, this is a $10 stock. I talked to you about the musical connection, and I spoke to you about the NVIDIA potential. Well, we heard a few days ago about Fugata. We covered it live when the news story broke from Jensen, when they made an actual video in which they put out on NVIDIA as YouTube channel, and I covered it for you live. But look at this, SoundHound AI up today 15%. We said this was going to $10. Look at that, straight up there now. Now, what is the news? Now, I can tell you right now, I can guess what the news is from the few people that I talk to, but there's no actual official news out about it. So there's obviously a rumor somewhere, and I've not found it.